Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Monkey Wrench. I'm Kelly, the monkey with the wrench. Today we're just going to be doing a quick video. Many times I'll be scrolling Facebook Marketplace or OfferUp or something, looking for mowers, cheap, usually that are broken. They don't run anymore. Somebody wants to get rid of them for 10 or 20 bucks or whatever. And I often see people in my position that are fixing them and trying to sell them for retail money. They're buying a machine for 30 or 40 bucks and they're making it look shiny and new and maybe cleaning the carburetor and trying to get $150 for them. And believe it or not, people shop with their eyes before anything else. So when they're scrolling through looking for a lawnmower, a machine that they need to buy, they're looking for cheap price and something that looks shiny. They don't have any clue what it's going to run like, but when it looks shiny, it's more appealing. So I'm going to show you right now what these guys do to their machines to make them shiny, and what you should be doing with your machines, regardless of where you keep them, inside or outside, to make sure they don't rust and last a whole lot longer. So here we go. Now it's pretty windy out here today. I apologize for that, but I've had to film quite a few videos and I work every day, so I got to fit them in regardless of the weather. So when you look at these machines for sale, they give them a quick wipe to get sand and dirt and whatnot off of it. And you can just take an old rag, and I usually use used motor oil, but for the sake of today's video, I just want to show you that if you take some motor oil and you wipe this thing down with a rag, it's kind of like waxing your car. You'll get a bunch of stuff off on the rag. But you just take this thing and wipe it, and the oil will protect the metal, obviously, and it'll make it shiny. And if you let that dry for a day or two, you take a picture of it, of course, right after you're finished, but then you let it dry in for a day or two, and it's like waxing your car. I've seen people use Armor All, stuff like that, and it's really not necessary. You can do it with the black plastic as well, and that oil will soak in to the plastic and it'll make it look brand new. I'm only doing half of it here, so you'll be able to see the difference. And you can make this thing look shiny and brand new with about 15 minutes of elbow grease and just a little bit of oil. And it will actually stop the sun from messing up the plastic, and it will stop rust from rusting out the machine, the metal. You do it on everything, even little hoses and whatnot. You can do it on the metal parts. You do it on all of it. And hopefully I can get you close enough here so that you can see the difference that a little bit of oil makes. You can see that I did the right side of the top plastic there. You saw me do the right side of the machine, as opposed to the left side. All that will just wipe right off and wipe right out. All that sand comes out. All the discoloration comes out. You can see that I did the left side of the wheel there, and the right side is still dirty. You can see that I did the right side of the chute, and it just makes it all look brand new, and it will soak in. It'll make this thing shiny. It'll protect it. And it's a little tip. If you're in the business and you want to sell your machines, spend an extra 15 or 20 minutes to clean them up and make them look shiny, and they'll sell a whole lot faster and for more money. It's ridiculous to think that people need to buy something shiny when it's a tool, but it really does make a difference. So I hope that helped today's quick short video. Thank you to almost 3,000 subscribers. Hit the like button. It's somewhere between my chin and my balls, and we'll see you on the next one. Now, I spent about 10 minutes off camera, and I did the entire thing. And you can see the discoloration under the muffler is gone. All that rust looking color is gone. The wheels are done. I even did the back dust guard. That was looking pretty bad. I did the handles. And it just makes it all look so much cleaner. So much better. Even the base of the motor. So when someone shows up, when they see the pictures, they're going to go, wow, that thing looks brand new. And then they're going to show up and they're going to be happy to give you whatever you ask for it. So, little tip for you. Good job, guys. Keep up the good work. Keep fixing those machines.